Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage, Motor Styles Hobby Shop. So, for all our viewers that actually locals, we have special, like we promised that we're gonna do special through the YouTube for people that actually shopping in the Motor Styles and actually watching our channel. Now you can get cool deals. So let's start with what deals we got right now. So, Red Cat Racing Drift Car, two different colors to choose from. And those are right now, we are in July, so July 2023. Those are right now $165 plus tax. Okay, they're usually like $200, so you can get it here a little bit cheaper than the internet right now. Then we got this, the ECX. It's a RC Monster truck for beginner with battery and a charger, and this one is going right now for $165. And again, whenever you come here, you have to tell me that you saw the posting on the YouTube so we can give you the deal. Don't forget that. Now, you have Red Cat Racing Piranha, $129. And then this is a little bit expensive, but this is something that we make and nobody else have it. This is the Arma, and it's a Nissan GTR Skyline. And so it's only available in our shop, and I actually set up the body and everything so it's ready to go, and those are going for like $800. If you try to do it yourself, it's going to cost you a little bit more. So if you want one, this is ready. Now let's jump to the cooler stuff. So Arma Vortex, available in couple colors, brushless electric 3S, this one, and we got that one. And they're brushless electric 3S. You need to buy a battery and a charger, of course, but it's come with a remote. And those guys on special right now for $299. They're usually like $375. And again, this is only for the July special deal. Then let's keep going. We have right now this is the 1957 Chevy Bel Air Coupe. Now this is a street cruiser, and it's come with a remote from Kyosho, but you can take this body and put it on a Red Cat Racing lowrider on the Monte Carlo and make it actually into a lowrider. This one on special right now for $220. Now you have Red Cat Racing Volcano, four-wheel drive with a battery and charger and everything. This is brushed electric, and this one going for like $180. And then some big cool stuff. So what we got here, the Arma Fire Team. Those things right now anywhere else, the $650 plus tax, so it's going to be $700 anywhere else, including Amazon. We sell them right now until the end of July for $550 cash out the door, so you save a lot of money. So if you want one of those, come and get it. I have two of those only left. Okay, then boats, excellent summer boats. We have here the Blackjack. The Blackjack 24 is on special right now for $220, brushless electric, 2-cell, 3-cell, and you have to buy a battery and a charger. You have the Sonic Wave, and this is a 6S. Again, it's a big boat. It's 36 inches. This one is going for $399, and you need again 6S LiPo battery. Then you have the Valles right now for $380. This is fiberglass, also 6S, very fast boat. Let me show you real quick the back of those boats. They're all aluminum, so they're all pretty cool. Even the cheap one, it's all kind of aluminum. Now we also have other stuff, other rock rollers and other thing here that is on sale right now, but you have to come to the shop and see it. We have the Ridge Rock, that it's front and rear steering from Red Cat Racing, and it's $130 now. And then we have the Chevy Monte Carlo, the lowrider, and it's not broken, it's actually lifted right now. And this one right now, for whoever was waiting for it to be on a sale, it's $329 plus tax. It used to be $420. Let's go over to a couple big tin, very big. Okay, Super Baja Ray. This one is a 8S brushless electric. It's a LED light on the top and on the back. This one is on special right now for $899 plus tax. It's usually $1,200. So don't miss out on this one. And then you have the Super Rock Ray 8S, and it's again, they're very big vehicles. And this one is going for $850 right now plus whatever tax. And again, you need batteries for those. Just so you see how big this thing is, This is a 10 scale car. This is how much bigger this thing is. Okay, then we have one Limitless left, the version 1 that it's actually painted already, so you don't have to do a lot. And this one is going for $380, brand new in a box. Not this one, this is mine, cannot buy this. And then some stuff that you cannot really get almost anywhere. This is the Arma Kraton EXB, but this is the roller, so there's nothing inside. I have 2 of those left, and they are going for $429. You have to put all the electronic inside. This is one of the strongest truck in the market. You have the Mad Van from Kyosho for $220 plus tax. And then I have a couple other things. I have some of those Red Cat Racing 59 Impala, and I have actually the silver and I have the blue. They are closed in a box. The box is still from the factory, and those are right now $539 plus tax. Okay, so don't miss out on those one as well. And kind of one more thing that everybody was asking about, the Big Rock crew cab is $299 instead of $375. And also the Team Red Cat is also a little bit cheaper. It's $289, so don't miss out on this. Okay, so we have a lot of cool stuff for you guys for the summer. Don't miss out. You know, it's cheaper actually right now than what is usually in Christmas. We're running a special promotion because we're gonna get new merchandise, and I want to kind of clear everything to get new cool stuff that I'm actually working on. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this video with some of your friends that actually want to get into the RC, because there's a lot of cool stuff that they can actually get. And then if you need bodies, we have different bodies. We have actually already painted bodies, and we have a lot of different wheels for speed run. We have for big trucks, and then we have lipo fire bag. That this is very important. I don't understand why not everybody buying this. It's about $20, and it will save you from not burning your house. If you need replacement remote, we have those. They're fairly cheap. And then we have more tires here, and then we have those big tires. Look how big those tires are. Those are pretty huge. This is my hand, this is the tire. Those are for 5th scale for the Arma Kraton, and they have different offset that you can set up on the center. And then, you know, 2 more car I forgot about that, very hard to find. Mini B roller, $130, and you have to put all your electronic inside. And then you have the Mini B brushless electric with everything in it. It's $230. And then if you want the Kyosho Wave Runner, this is actually like very cool because it's actually a jet ski, and this one is $230 right now. Okay, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And if you don't know where we are located right here. Ta-da! We are at 17555 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, zip code 91344. Don't forget to come here. It's again 17555 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, and we got everything you want. So see you soon. Don't forget to say that you saw this video on our YouTube, so we can hook you up with those deals. Those deals only for my YouTube customers. Bye.